Welcome to Fishbone Offroad's instructional on the rear bumper removal of Jeep's 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Locate the two frame rails securing the bumper. With a 16mm socket, remove the two bolts from both the left and right rails. Step 2. Follow the wire harness on the driver's side and disconnect the two power supplies. One for the trailer power socket and one for the license plate light. Each uses a push-tab pull method. With a body clip remover, remove any clips retaining the harnesses. Step 3. With a 10mm socket or a flathead screwdriver, unscrew and remove the rear license plate. With a 16mm socket, remove the last two bolts supporting the bumper, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Fishbone Off-Road for more instructionals like this.